Uršlja gora. Tam sem bil zadnjič. Tole je pa Peca. Tam nekje pod unimi melišči Koča. Spodaj so pa Rudniki. Koča na Pikovem. Nekaj pod 1000 metri. Slovenska gorsko kolesarska pot je to. Aha. Proti Peci, po cesti, vse ostale stvari so prestrme. Malo po kolovozu, ostalo bo pa kar cesta danes. Korenine so strupeno mokre in drseče. No, zdaj pa je ena taka luštna pot, vsak cajt se malo pribremza, drugače pa greš lepo dol po cest, ni druge. Kako sem bil vesel, ko sem videl, da je narejena proga. Da ni tisti blatni dol, ko sem mislil, da bom šel po njem, ne. Ta narejena proga je downhill. Vse drsi, trava, zemlja, korenine, še pesek. Evo, proga je narejena.
We're going to enter a tunnel, which is a lot lower than this one. It's actually so low that we have to go off our bikes and push them for a few meters. Just a question, is that a problem for anyone? Off our bikes and push them for a few meters. Back on the bikes.
Evo, dela, ok.
Okay guys, we're gonna leave our bikes here, put them on the walls, park them. Okay, let's go this way, right? Yeah, check.
And if we will be lucky, we will hit somebody, some tourist down there on the 7th floor. He or she will be happy about it, probably. Yeah, it's a problem finding a rock here, yeah. Lose one.
Alright.
Morate prinesti od zunaj kamne.
I'm dangerous now, so be careful what you say. I'm gonna throw the rocks inside now. And please, let's be completely quiet so we hear how long the rocks fall down, alright? 3, 2, 1. They didn't find anything, so they threw away a lot of hard work, time, and money as well. And that's why we have so many kilometers of tunnels here, as I said before, 1,000, because most of them are research tunnels. So they were searching for it, but they did not find it. And it's really important to know the difference, actually, because... Just a moment, please.